Hi, my name is Joe, and one of the most popular features of the iLevil series is the ability to relay information from other avionics wirelessly to your mobile device. Data transfer between devices is possible thanks to the integrated serial port on the iLevil series. The iLevil Sport and iLevil SW integrate a 3.5mm jack where the serial harness plugs into. You can purchase the harness directly on the website. For the iLevil AW, users must create a harness that plugs into the DB9 connector. Then data transfer between the iLevil and tablet is done wirelessly thanks to the onboard Wi-Fi chip. When designing the iLevil series, the ability to add external hardware through the serial ports was a must-have, because it allows pilots to add all kinds of information in addition to what the iLevil series has to offer. In order to configure the serial port, referred to as the auxiliary port, we developed an app called AHARS Utility. Once the app is connected to your iLevil, just go into Device Configuration and under Auxiliary Port, select the external hardware you will be using. Click Apply and acknowledge the message. Following a power reset of the iLevil, it will be then ready to communicate. At one time, it was all about possibilities. Engine information, radio controls on your tablet, but today, it's all about reality. And this video will demonstrate common connections between your iLevil series and your panel. Starting with the iLevil Sport, this is a backup attitude indicator and GPS receiver. It does not have an onboard ADS-B, but can be linked to a certified ADS-B receiver if already installed. The NavWork ADS-600B is the perfect combination since it works as an ADS-B in receiver and an ADS-B out transponder, thus meeting the 2020 mandate for ADS-B out. By combining the two together, your iPad now has access to FAA-certified GPS information for accurate approaches, exceptional backup attitude information that drives synthetic vision apps, and free in-flight weather and traffic information. Another popular combination is the iLevil SW tied to a ZAON XRX. As we know, ADS-B traffic is not always broadcasted unless an ADS-B out transponder is requesting the information. Although we encourage pilots to be equipped with ADS-B out, not everyone has the resource to buy one today. Until everyone is on board with ADS-B out, pilots may rely on other means for traffic awareness. If you already have a ZAON XRX, you can display the traffic on your iPad by linking your ZAON device to the iLevil SW and WingX Pro 7. WingX will distinguish ADS-B traffic from TCAS traffic with different symbols, making it easy to determine the source of the traffic. If you have an iLevil Model 20 or higher, the ZAON will power the iLevil on/off automatically, and you won't have to worry about recharging the batteries. Make sure you use your ZAON device on Profile 2. Finally, the iLevil AW connected to an engine analyzer gives experimental and light sport aviation a jet-like glass cockpit that's lightweight and easy to install. Thus far, we have integrated the popular Grand Rapids Technologies EIS 4000 and 6000 series. The EIS, short for Engine Information System, takes the inputs from all your sensors and converts them into digital data, which is then transferred to the iLevil. The AHARS utility incorporates a beautiful display for the engine data with color-coded gauges and warnings. To configure each gauge individually, just go to Engine Configuration and tap on the gauge you want to adjust. For example, let's take a look at RPM. You can adjust things like name, units, location, minimum and maximum values for the gauge itself, and minimum and maximum limits for the warning flag. The app will warn you when you exceed the limits set for that gauge. To remove warnings, simply disable them at the Windows option. To create the harness, you must connect pin 11 from the GRT EIS to pin 7 on the iLevil AW's DB9 plug, and connect pin 1 on the GRT to the pin 5 on the iLevil. Pin 2 on the iLevil AW is also for data transfer. So if you have a panel-mounted display and would like to integrate the weather and traffic data, you can make a connection to your screen directly. Thank you for watching this video. You can find out more information at www.aviation.levil.com. Levil Technology Corporation brings innovation and technology to flight.